We start with daily chart. Okay, as you can see, based on daily chart, we are within this. We want to see how long we will be within this correction, whether we are going to get a big correction or not. Okay, and can we expect this correction will be similar to this? It depends, because we want the price to break this line and continue. Okay, no, it depends how long we'll be here, and I don't think this correction is going to be really big. That's why we want to see how we can get the trade. If I move to forward chart, based on forward chart, we want to see how big will be. I mean, how long will be within this correction. Whether we can get the, if we get the correction for the continuation, or the price can be with a longer and bigger correction. Okay, now can we expect what we have here is similar to this? We have one. This is the one with the small correction and continuation. That's mean here the price, if correct, we look for buy. Yeah, this is what we're looking for. That's mean if the price start to correct here, any buy we take it to the stop. Then from there we see if there is a continuation or not, because we need to know maybe we will get the flat before the price reverse. I mean, sorry, before the price continue and break this 255. Okay, and no, we want to see how we can trade it. If I move to 1 hour chart, okay, based on 1 hour chart, as we can see, we have the breakout of this trend line. Okay, if we want to buy the first, and the best things is, if we want to trade safe, let the price to drop one more, then we will have this flat. Then from there, any buy within this, based on lower time frame, we take it. If we get, we take it. And then another opportunity will be to have entry above this. If the price drop, that means we have to wait the price one more drop to complete this correction. Then any trade from there, we take it. Okay, then if the price continue drop and continue retest this low, we are not in the trade. All right, no, if I move to 15-minute chart, as we can see here, we expecting the price will one move down to get the flat. Then from there we can look for buy, whether we can get the trade within this range or we can have entry above that. But right now I want to point something that, how about, because if we want to get the trade, this one, and we have been looking for the correction after the breakout of the trend line. Okay, now how about if we don't get the correction? I mean, what we're expecting the price to get one more drop. Then from there, we see how we can trade it. And the best things I mentioned to get the entry within this range based on lower time frame. How about the price continue from here? How we can trade it? Okay, now if I will move to 15-minute again. Okay, how about if this is the sharp move and flag, and this is the one is going to break? The only way we can trade it, have entry above this. Okay, if I put the line here, maybe put the entry here. Okay, now we need to know that we are expecting, based on the structure, for one move down to complete this one before we take the trade. This is what I suggest. But if the possibility the price from here can continue, we have this possibility as well. The only way we can trade, have entry above this. But we need to know this way to trade, having trade above this is really risky. Only for those traders, they know how to manage it. I mean, they can take the risk. Okay, because what you want, we want the price to break and continue. If the price tag is not moving, then we have to take out the trade. Okay, no, it depends on the traders whether they want to take this trade. In case the price move, they can be in the trade, or wait for the next, I mean, wait the price to drop, then from there they can take the trade. Okay, now again, to have entry above this is very risky, but it depends on the traders. But if anyone wants to have an entry above this, in case this is the only correction, I mean, flag in relative to this, and the price can continue, if the price tag and they see within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, they should take out the trade. Okay, anyway, the best things is if we get one move down, then we can trade it. Any trade from here, as long as the price come to this level, we have to start to manage. Why? Maybe we will get the bigger flat. This means the price come here to this top, then drop before we get the next move up. Okay, now we just follow the chart and see how this correction can form. Then from there, if we see any trade setup, then I will share. Thanks.